Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve an example on circle theorems. The question is A, B and C lie on a circle with center O. So A, B and C are the points which are lying on the circle's circumference with the center O. Angle OBA is equal to 52 degrees. So we can see here that angle OBA is given as 52 degrees. Calculate angle ACB. So they want us to calculate the angle ACB, which is over here. So we need to find out this angle. So to start with, we can see that there are two main triangles in the circle. That is triangle OAB and triangle ABC. So always start with the triangle which has maximum information. In this case, our triangle OAB is given the information of 52 degrees. So we'll be starting with this triangle first. Here we can see that triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle because OA and OB both are the radius of the circle. So if OA is 2 centimeters, for example, then OB is also going to be 2 centimeters because both are the radius. So keeping this in mind, we can think of this triangle as an isosceles triangle. Therefore, we can mark angle A also as 52 degrees. Since two angles are already got, we will try to find out the third angle by using the angle sum property of the triangle. So we can write angle A plus angle O plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. This is the angle sum property of a triangle where all the angles of the triangle add up to 180 degrees. So angle A we got it as 52 degrees. We have to find out angle O, and angle B is also 52 degrees. So let us find out what is angle O. So angle O will be 180 degrees minus 52 plus 52. So that will give us an angle of 76 degrees. So we have the angle at the center as 76 degrees. Now how will it help to find out the angle C, which is at the circumference? Now to find the angle C, we have to make use of a circle theorem, which is called as angle at the center theorem. So here you can see I have already drawn a circle, and there is an angle made at the center of the circle by the points A and point B. So the angle AOB is called as angle at the center of the circle. Now using the same points A and B, I have also drawn an angle at the circumference of the circle, that is angle C. So we call it as angle at the circumference. Remember that the points that make the angle at the center, the same two points have to make the angle at the circumference. It doesn't matter whether it has to be over here, it can be drawn this way as well. The angle at the circumference can look somewhat this way also. So there are various ways of drawing the angle at the circumference. So it can be drawn this way as well. So at the moment, let me just keep it the previous one. So the statement of this theorem is angle at the center will be always equal to 2 times the angle at the circumference of the circle, which means if here the angle at the circumference is 30 degrees, then the angle at the center will be 2 times 30 degrees, which will be 60 degrees. The vice versa is also possible, where if angle at the center is given, for example, if the angle at the center is 100 degrees, then angle at the circumference is going to be half of the angle at the center. So half of 100 is 50 degrees. So keeping this in mind, we can try to solve this given example. As you can see, from point A and point B, there is an angle made at the center of this circle, and using the same 2 points A and B, there is an angle made at the circumference. Hence, we can write here as angle AOB that is angle at the center, is 2 times the angle at the circumference, that is ACB. But here we have to find out angle ACB. Hence we can rearrange this and write it as angle ACB is equal to angle at the center OAB divided by 2. So this 2 goes on the other side. So angle at the center we have already found out, that is 76 degrees. So it becomes 76 degrees over 2, which is got as 38 degrees. So this is the angle at the circumference. So we get the angle ACB as 38 degrees. I hope you have understood the example and liked the video. So if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.